Eat celery every day and see these astonishing changes in your body. Celery, often overlooked as a mere garnish or diet food, is actually a nutrient-dense vegetable that offers a myriad of health benefits. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, celery deserves a more prominent place in our diets. Here's an in-depth look at the health benefits of this crunchy, green vegetable. Before we proceed, please note that everything mentioned in this video is unbiased, fact-checked, and reviewed by qualified health professionals. Let's explore the various health benefits of consuming celery. Number 1. Reduce oxidative damage. Packed with antioxidants, celery aids in combating oxidative stress that may result in cellular harm, leading to illnesses. Antioxidants are vital as they shield our bodies from free radicals that pose health hazards. Uncontrolled, free radicals may be precursors to various diseases, including heart conditions, type 2 diabetes, and cancer. Notably, celery contains potent antioxidants, such as caffeic acid and ferulic acid, both of which are shown to possess restorative properties. Number 2. Fight with bacteria and fungus. Another lesser-known advantage of celery is its inherent properties that are antibacterial, antimicrobial, and antifungal. Research indicates that celery has the capability to suppress various bacteria and fungi. Additionally, it has been observed in animal studies that celery can combat bacteria linked to staph infections, Staphylococcus aureus, and infections caused by methicillin-resistant S. Number 3. Supporting heart health. Despite its high water content, celery is rich in essential vitamins and nutrients such as potassium and calcium, which bolster heart health. Additionally, it provides folate and vitamin K, necessary for the synthesis of red blood cells and proper blood clotting mechanisms. Celery further contributes to heart protection through its provision of flavonoids, plant-based compounds that positively impact the cardiovascular system. High-fiber diets that include celery have been linked to reduced risks of developing heart disease. Number 4. Enhancing neuronal health and protecting memory. Celery is beneficial for neuronal growth and development due to a compound called apigenin, which also supports overall neuron health. Moreover, celery assists in preventing memory loss thanks to a specific compound identified as L3N-butylphenolide. Notably, celery extract is significant in the management and prevention of Alzheimer's disease. Number 5. Mitigating inflammation. Rich in a variety of antioxidants, celery offers anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antiviral benefits. Its robust nutritional profile is particularly notable in this respect. Additionally, celery includes a substance named luteolin, which helps inhibit inflammation in the neurons. Studies indicate that celery extract functions similarly to anti-inflammatory medications such as aspirin and ibuprofen, potentially alleviating pain and safeguarding against stomach injury caused by nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. Number 6. Abundant in antioxidants. Antioxidants are crucial for shielding cells, blood vessels, and organs from oxidative harm. Celery is packed with vitamin C, beta-carotene, and flavonoids, yet it also boasts at least 12 other types of antioxidant nutrients within just one stalk. Furthermore, it is an excellent source of phytonutrients, which are proven to lessen inflammation across the digestive system, cells, blood vessels, and organs. Number 7. Enhances sexual health. Celery is rich in androstenone and androstenol, which are male hormones that help in boosting sexual attraction among women. It is commonly accepted that consuming celery has sexual health benefits due to the odor of its natural compounds, potentially making men more appealing to women. Number 8. Boosts sperm quality and vitality. Research indicates that celery provides a defense against agents that might lower sperm quality. The advantages of celery for sperm health are significant, as the use of celery extract has been linked to improved sexual function and increased sperm production. This effect may stem from its potential to block free radicals that negatively affect fertility. Additionally, celery aids in boosting testosterone production, further enhancing fertility in men. Number 9. Aids in weight management. Celery, known for its low-calorie profile, plays a significant role in managing body weight. Its usefulness in weight reduction is primarily due to its high dietary fiber content, which prolongs feelings of fullness. The presence of insoluble fiber in celery helps enhance satiety, supporting weight loss efforts. Additionally, the high water content in celery not only aids in losing weight, but also helps in managing fat metabolism. Number 10. Lowers the risk of cancer. Celery contains abundant antioxidants that assist in lowering cancer risks. This vegetable includes powerful anti-cancer agents, such as apigenin and luteolin, which both facilitate the elimination of free radicals and induce the death of cancer cells. Moreover, celery contains bioactive polyacetylenes, which are effective in preventing the formation of various cancer cells. It is particularly advantageous in safeguarding against breast and pancreatic cancer. Number 11. Supporting bone health. Celery offers numerous health advantages, notably a high content of vitamin K, which is essential for strong bones. Similar to calcium, vitamin K is crucial for bone strength, and a deficiency in vitamin K can increase the likelihood of bone fractures, including those of the hip, as indicated by research. Number 12. Blood health. Further, vitamin K plays a significant role in maintaining blood health, where it is recognized for its role in blood clotting. According to a nutrition expert, celery, being rich in vitamin K, not only promotes better blood clotting, but also has the added advantage of reducing blood pressure. Number 13. Aids in digestion. Due to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which safeguard the entire digestive system. Specifically, it appears to provide unique benefits to the stomach. Celery contains pectin-based polysaccharides, one of which is known as apiumin. These compounds have been found to lower the risk of stomach ulcers, enhance the stomach's lining, and regulate gastric secretions. Additionally, celery's high water content, nearly 95%, along with a significant amount of both soluble and insoluble fiber, contributes to a healthy digestive system and promotes regularity. Also, a single cup of celery sticks contains 5 grams of dietary fiber. Number 14. Rich in essential nutrients. Celery is incredibly low in calories, with a single stalk containing around 10 calories. Despite its low caloric content, it is rich in essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin K, which is essential for blood clotting and bone health. Vitamin A, important for vision, immune function, and skin health. Vitamin C, known for its role in immune support and skin health. Folate, vital for DNA synthesis and repair, making it crucial during periods of rapid growth, such as pregnancy. Potassium helps maintain fluid balance and proper muscle function. Additionally, celery contains small amounts of B vitamins, magnesium, calcium, and fiber, making it a well-rounded addition to a balanced diet. Number 15. Alkaline effect in the body. Celery contains minerals, such as magnesium, iron, and sodium, which help to balance the acidity of other foods and are vital for numerous critical bodily processes. Number 16. Enhances hydration. Celery is composed of about 95% water, making it an excellent food for staying hydrated. Proper hydration is essential for many bodily functions, including temperature regulation, joint lubrication, and nutrient transportation. Eating celery can contribute to your daily water intake, especially during hot weather or after physical activity. Well, that is all about the health benefits of celery. However, here are some frequently asked questions about celery. Let's check it out. Question 1. What does celery do to the body? Celery is rich in a compound known as phthalides, which help to dilate the arterial walls, enhancing blood circulation and reducing blood pressure. Additionally, it possesses fibers, magnesium, and potassium, all beneficial for blood pressure management. Question 2. Why is celery a superfood? Nutritionally, celery is a low-calorie option, packed with essential nutrients. Consuming 2 celery stalks results in a mere 15-calorie intake. Besides having a low-calorie profile, celery is also a good source of dietary fiber and vitamin K. Also, provides nominal amounts of vitamin A and C, along with calcium and iron. Question 3. Who should not drink celery juice? Generally, most individuals can consume celery juice in any quantity they prefer. However, those with conditions such as high blood pressure, cardiovascular diseases, or kidney ailments should first consult their healthcare provider or a pharmacist before starting regular consumption of celery juice. Question 4. What are the benefits of celery juice on an empty stomach? The consumption of celery, whether before or after fasting, retains its nutritional value. Likewise, drinking its juice on an empty stomach does not modify the way the body processes subsequent meals. Question 5. Can I eat raw celery? Celery is versatile in its uses. It can be consumed raw in salads, or can be diced and cooked with other vegetables like onions, carrots, and leeks to create a flavorful foundation for soups, sauces, and stews. The robust outer stalks of celery are more suited for cooking, whereas the delicate inner stalks are perfect for raw consumption. Question 6. Why should you eat celery at night? Incorporating a few celery stalks into your evening routine can have a soothing effect and potentially enhance the quality of your sleep. This is attributed to apigenin, a compound in celery, which interacts with gamma-aminobutyric acid receptors in the brain, thereby diminishing brain activity and fostering relaxation. Question 7. What is the best way to consume celery? Celery can be eaten either raw or cooked, including both its leaves and stalks. Typically, raw food is thought to preserve more nutrients than cooked food. Celery alone serves as a refreshing, crunchy treat that offers hydration and energy. Or, it can be used as an ingredient in cooked dishes, like a chicken stir-fry. Question 8. When not to use celery? Celery should be avoided by those who have abnormal thyroid levels or are on thyroid medication. Question 9. Is celery classified as a stem vegetable? Indeed, celery is classified as a stem vegetable, recognized for its crunchy, edible stalks that are often incorporated into various recipes. Question 10. What is one major side effect of eating celery? Ingesting large amounts of fiber from celery may lead to uncomfortable gastrointestinal issues, including bloating, gas, and diarrhea. Question 11. Is celery and coriander the same? Celery and coriander are distinct species. The former is a vegetable, known for its firm stalks and leaves, whereas the latter, also referred to as cilantro, is an herb characterized by its aromatic leaves and seeds. Each is unique in its flavor and uses in cooking. Question 12. Is it safe for cats to consume celery? While cats are able to consume celery in moderation, it is not typically part of their natural diet, and many may not find it appealing. When feeding your cat celery, it should be chopped into small pieces to avoid choking hazards. It is always best to focus on providing them with complete and balanced cat food for proper nutrition. Question 13. Is celery and parsley the same? No, celery and parsley are two completely separate plants. Celery is commonly recognized for its crisp stems and leaves, and is utilized both for cooking purposes and as an embellishment. Conversely, parsley is an herb characterized by its bright green foliage and is appreciated for its crisp, leafy taste, often used in seasoning or as an enhancement to a variety of recipes. Question 14. Is it okay to consume celery juice in the evening? If your daily intake consists of 32 ounces of celery juice, it is advisable to divide this into 2 servings of 16 ounces each. The optimal times to have these servings would be early morning, on an empty stomach, and then later in the day, preferably in the late afternoon or early evening, ensuring it's consumed 15 to 30 minutes prior to your next meal. Well, that's the end of the video. Thanks for tuning in to Benefit Hub for your dose of health and wellness tips. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Remember, your health is your greatest asset, so let's keep investing in it together. Stay tuned for more valuable content, and until next time, stay healthy and stay happy. See you in the next video.